Unfortunately, the government used its majority to prevent me getting leave to have this bill introduced. The minister responsible for transport indicated that they will be bringing regulations, an amendment to the existing regulations to put in place a system of no restraint requirements effectively for children in public passenger vehicles, and optional restraint requirements depending on the age of the child. But that will not address the question of the tickets already issued to taxi operators and the fines and demerit points which they are facing from the enforcement of this particular law since February 1. So that remains an issue which is unresolved. I'm very disappointed that the government chose to use its majority in this way, because the bill was intended to solve that particular problem, and also I think would have been a signal to the taxi operators who are restive and are in fact withdrawing service in various parts of the country that Parliament is doing something about it. The announcement of an amendment to come may or may not provide them with the same level of comfort as actual legislation brought to the House, which is what I did.